In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 common myths about social media that are actually preventing you from success. Hi, my name is Caroline. I'm a copywriter and marketing consultant, and thanks for stopping by. So this is a channel for tips and strategies that will help your business with your marketing. Number 1 is that you need your content to go viral, which can actually be more harmful than helpful if your content is within a specific niche. So think about it. If, for example, you create makeup tutorials and you have a video go viral that makes all kinds of people follow you who aren't at all interested in makeup, then what's gonna happen? Now you have a big following who doesn't really care about your topic, and therefore they're not going to interact with your content in the future. So your level of engagement will go way down. It's much better to have followers who are interested in your content rather than a bunch who will never again like or comment on your post. See, the most important thing is to focus on creating quality content that your specific audience will appreciate. Myth number 2 is that you need to be on every social media platform. So this advice is really counterproductive actually, because it's more important to focus on being active and engaged and consistent on a few platforms that make sense for your business, rather than spreading yourself too thin by trying to keep up with every social media site out there. Because unless you have an entire team to help you, you're probably not gonna be able to keep up with every platform anyways. So start up with the one that makes the most sense to you. And once you feel you've gotten that down, expand to another and so on. Just remember, quality and consistency is always better than quantity. Before we move on to myth number 3, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications if you want to make sure you get my future tips on social media marketing. All right, myth number 3 is that your content needs to be perfect in order to be successful. And this is simply not true. See, social media is about being real and authentic, and your followers will appreciate you more if you're real and relatable rather than trying to be something you're not. That's it. And if you're feeling a bit unproductive about what social media to come up with next, then have no fear, because in this video, I give you 5 types of social media posts that are sure winners every time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.